Hi guys, I am Zinal and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about office makeup look in just 5 minutes. So if you are an office going girl or doing work from home where you have to attend some online meetings and you want to look good, then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So I have already moisturized my skin and now I'm gonna use a pore minimizing primer from PAC. I have large pores around my nose area, so I am using pore primer, but you can use any regular primer to prep your skin. Next I am using NYKAA BB cream in soft beige to give a little coverage to make my skin look even. You can also use foundation, but on regular basis I would like to use lightweight product on my skin. Now I am gonna blend this CC cream with my foundation brush, or you could also use your hands to blend it into your skin. Next I am using L.A.GIRL concealer in the shade pure beige to cover my dark circles. Here I am taking good amount of concealer to cover my all under eye darkness. I am also applying it on the areas where I have some blemishes and I am gonna blend it with the same brush. So now I'm gonna set my entire face with MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. This powder gives a good amount of coverage and it also helps in absorption of some amount of sweating. So if you feel more sweating in your entire day, you could touch up with this amazing compact powder. Now I'm using blush palette from NYX and here I'm using peach tone blush on my cheeks to give some fresh look. I always love to mix two shades and apply it on my cheeks. So next, I'm quickly do my brows with Mascara Brow Defining Kit. You can't skip this step as it's gonna make such a big difference on your entire face. So first I'm gonna brush my hair with spoolie and then I'm gonna fill the gaps with the product. This product gives a natural finish to your brows. So next I'm gonna apply eyeliner and I'm using my favorite Forever 52 pencil liner in the shade black. You could use any color of your choice. You could also do a smudge liner, and if you want to know how to create a smudge liner, then I have mentioned the link of my video in the description box. You can check that out. Here I'm gonna give you a little trick that makes your liner application so smooth and easy. I'm just gonna stretch my outer corner of the eyes with my fingers and then I'm gonna make a smooth straight line on my upper lash line. So now I'm quickly finish off my eyes by applying a little mascara. Here I'm using MAYBELLINE Sensational Mascara. This product really lengthens my lashes and gives a good volume. Now I'm gonna apply a lip liner to make my lipstick last longer. I am using Forever 52 lip liner and the shade number is F1609. I am applying it on my entire lips and then I am using NYKAA Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick in the shade Guwa Hotti. This is a very nice red tone liquid lipstick with a tint of orange which really gives a bold look. So that's the final look guys. I hope you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and colleagues. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, then please do it now and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, see you in the next. Till then, bye bye.